Your retry charged that customer twice. Here's why. You call another service. Nothing comes back. Silence. You wrote catch, log, retry. Wrong. 4 different things could have happened, and they all look identical from where you sit. The request never arrived. The request arrived and the server is still working on it. The server crashed halfway, or the server did the work perfectly and the reply got lost coming home. That fourth one is the double charge. A timeout never means it failed. A timeout means I don't know. So the fix isn't a better error message. It's making the operation safe to repeat, so you can retry into the fog without breaking anything. In the complete module, why your clocks lie and delete writes with no error, what CAP actually says, and the version you should use instead. Why your health check checks nothing. How GitHub turned 43 seconds of network trouble into a full day of pain. The complete course is at shipreel.dev.